Welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. This video will cover how to search for Limited Examination and Appointment Program, or LEAP exams. The state of California offers an alternative assessment process for persons with disabilities. To take a LEAP exam, you will first need to be certified by the Department of Rehabilitation. For more information on how to obtain LEAP certification, visit the Department of Rehabilitation website or contact your local branch office using the link in the video description below. Please note this is optional and is not a requirement for persons with disabilities. Once you are certified, return to the CalCareers homepage and select the Persons with Disabilities icon. On the Persons with Disabilities page, find the LEAP Exams button on the Alternate Assessments process bar. Click on the button for LEAP exams, and the available LEAP exams will populate in search results on the next page. When you find the one you want to take, click on View Exam Posting. This will navigate you to the exam bulletin. Be sure to read all the information on the exam bulletin. Once you are ready to begin, click Apply Now at the top right corner of the bulletin to take the LEAP Readiness Evaluation. Log in to your CalCareers account. Read the information on the exam information page. When you're ready, click Continue. Read the information on the LEAP e-exam Terms of Use Agreement. Answer accordingly, then click Continue. Verify your information on the Equal Employment Opportunity screen. Once you certify it is correct, click Continue. To proceed to the exam, follow the directions on this page and continue to the exam. Once on the exam, complete it to the best of your ability. Upon completion of your exam, you will receive your score. Please allow 72 hours for your results to appear under the Exams/Assessments Records section of your CalCareers account. You can discover more helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have additional resources to help. You can visit the Help Tutorials page located on the top of the CalCareers website to access tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help.